a real...
Well, technically,
You ever caught a good guy like a real... Have you ever tried a disguise? All right, I can see that I will have to teach you how to be... Now listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you wanna be a number one, you have to chase a super on the run. Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. Now look at the that I just found. When I say be ready to let's try something else. Now here's the deal. You slip and slide from this